Good morning, King. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear King. Happy birthday, King. Hi, King. Happy birthday. How old are you? How old are you?
10.
Look at here so I can see what you look like when you're 10 and you're opening. Huh? Oh, that's why my hand was there. Hi, Genta. Say happy birthday to you.
My nails are short.
You just woken up? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Did you give my charger?
Yeah, you have to give your charger.
Yeah, there is a charger there.
What? Oh, good.
He's thinking about that. Hi, Genta. It's Kuya's birthday. Look at that. Say happy birthday, Kuya. And he's trying to open his DS. That's it. Come on. There. It's 7:27. The 2nd October. And it's a hot day. Look, 23 degrees here. Where is King? There, he's opening. Is that just the tape you're doing? Oh. King's opening his brand new 3DSi, the red one. Done it?
I think so.
Oh, 3DS. I thought it was 3DSi. That would be the next one. Go there, King, on the bed, so you can open it in the bed. Good boy, King. There it is.
With the manual.
There it is. Ooh, where's the console?
It's in here. The one in the foil thingy.
Where is it? Ooh, I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. I can see it. There it is. Show me. Face this way. Face, go like this. Oops, excuse me. Him.
Wow, nice.
You get so excited. Let me see. Show me the color. I can't see. Wait. Oh, the front. Show me the front. That's shiny one. Well done. Happy birthday, King. Say happy birthday, King. Genta, say happy birthday, Kuya. Say happy birthday, King. Happy birthday, King. Love you. Okay, go on, King. You can charge it, yeah?
Already?
Yes, love you, King.
Video?
Yeah. Oh, are you going to do it later? You can do some more? I'll take a picture in a minute, King, yeah? Love you, King. Happy birthday. Look this way. Wave. I can't see your face. That's what you look like now. 10. You were 10. Okay, love you, King. In a bit. Bye.